Hi guys, today I'm going to show you my new rollerblades. Those are the Remedies 0801 skates. I just got them. They're pretty gnarly. Like, I already opened the box, but I haven't like unwrapped anything. So like all I've been able to see is like what it looks like when I open the box. So I'm actually gonna see the whole thing for the first time. So um we got the one paper. Yeah, that. Yeah, I got them at A-Mall. A-Mall's the best. I got the best stuff. So, gotta set that aside. Got the billing address thingy, shipping thing. Feels like, hold on, there's something in there. Here. Oh, dude, there's an Allen key in there. Sorry, there's an Allen key right here. Sweet. Free Allen key. Okay, now, let's see what we got in here. Oh, sweet, I got speed cream. Bones speed cream. Pretty gnarly. Sweet. Okay. Oh, another gift. Got ammo wax. It's awesome. Slickest thing out there. That. Oh, gnarly, I got a sticker. Sweet. Stick it in my helmet. Alright, now, down to the flipping skate. These are gonna be amazing. Hold on. Put this aside. Okay. So, got these. Pretty gnarly looking. Got Connor O'Brien right here. You got Chris Haffey. You got Nick Wood right here. Nick Wood's right there. Awesome skaters. Damn, man. Got ground control frames right here. Ground control frames. Ground control frames with black ending rockers right here. We got the Remz team wheel with ABIC 5 bearings on them. Get to roll pretty smooth. We got a black backside plate, black soles, pretty huge soles. Love them. Alright. Got the Remz liner. It's really stuffy. So I mean, your foot is not gonna go anywhere. It's gonna stay there. Here you got the strap right here. You got this right here, man. It's pretty sweet. Then you got the Velcro strap. So you got two ways of fitting it. Like, it's a really customized. It's like Remedies lets you customize your skates completely. Like, it's crazy. You got options. You got a lot of options with them. I also got the V. You got you can cut. You can like V cut it. Can't really see it, but it's got little creases so you can cut them on the sides. There, you can see them right there. There, yeah. So you can cut them into a V cut. Then your liner. I believe that you can like take a piece of Velcro thingy right here, and your liner becomes a V-cut liner too. Then, we got the little strap back here. Supports the skin, makes the skin tight. That right there, and then we got the heel strap right here. Extra strap. Now, complete like freedom of your feet. Freedom of feet. Alright. So this is the right skate. Oh look, sweet. Another Allen key. Yay! Okay, aside, now let's open up the left skate. As you can see, same thing as the other skate. Although that is, instead of having the faces of the skaters, it has team on the tongue of the skin. Same system in here. Sorry, you got this right here. Then you got Velcro strap, V-cut. You can V-cut it. Same wheels. Some everything, man. We got pretty sick skate right here. It's pretty sweet. That's all I can say about it. It's an amazing skate.